Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well and hope you all are staying safe. Dimple here again, welcoming you all to today's session on Android framework components. In my previous couple of videos, we have been seeing the different test suites, CTS, GTS, VTS. What are exactly these test suites and their importance? Previous video, I had explained the different CTS test categories along with examples. What are the different categories and how these are fixed? Today we will see what are the different GTS test case categories along with few examples. So GTS is nothing but Google Test Suite. It includes a set of tests that focus on ensuring the compatibility of GMS, that is Google Mobile Services, and Google applications on Android devices. So here we'll be going through a few examples of these test categories along with potential bug fixes. First one is Google Play Store compatibility. So under this category, what kind of tests we include, what kind of test cases we include is that we include test cases which will verify that the Google Play Store, which is the primary source for downloading apps on Android, functions correctly on the device. uh, for example, if users experience any issues with the Play Store, or Google may release updates to the apps to resolve problems related to app downloads, updates, and purchases. Be it any issue regarding this Play Store, maybe you're not able to download some particular application, or you're not able to post your app on Play Store, be it anything. Google will take care of this, and it will fix all the issues in the updated Play Store application, and it will install that app on your Android device. The next type is Google Maps integration. Google Maps integration, under this we write test cases which ensure that Google Maps and its features such as location services and navigations work seamlessly on the device. And what kind of issues come under such test cases is that, for example, if location data is inaccurate or navigation fails, Google may issue updates to the Google Map app or the Google Play Services framework to address such issues. So to ensure everything is working fine, basically we will include such test cases under Google Maps integration. Next type of test category is Google search compatibility. So related to Google search, we add test cases which verify that Google search functions properly on the device, including the voice search and the normal text search, as well as Google Assistant integration. Right. So if Google search features are unresponsive or voice recognition doesn't work as expected, sometimes whatever we speak, Google will not recognize that correctly. We may speak something and it will recognize something, and the Google search goes wrong. So in such cases, what Google will do, Google will fix such issues if we report, and Google will release the updates to the Google app, that is the Play Store, to improve these functions. The next type is Gmail and email integration. Under these, what kind of test cases we may add? So we add test cases which ensure compatibility with Gmail and email clients on the device, covering email synchronizations, notifications, and account setup. Sometimes we will not get reminders that you have received a new mail. Our email may be filling up, but we are not getting any notification, or any such issues regarding your Gmail. All such issues come under this Gmail email integration. So if email sync issues are there or notifications doesn't work, Google may update this Gmail application or the Android email application to resolve such problems. Next type is Google Drive and cloud services. So what type of test cases does Google add under this kind of category is that it will add test cases which validate the compatibility with Google Drive and cloud storage services, including document syncing and access to cloud files. Sometimes we cannot access whatever the files we have stored in our drive, or sometimes we will not be able to sync our files, or sometimes will not be able to download. So all such kind of issues are taken care, all such kind of test cases are written under this type of category. So if users can't access or sync their files to Google Drive, Google may release these updates to the Google Drive app or the Google Play Services framework to improve this cloud integration. So next we'll see what is this YouTube compatibility. So this YouTube compatibility category, it includes test cases to ensure that YouTube videos can be played smoothly and that the app functions correctly. Okay, there should not be more buffering. Sometimes we see, right, when the network is slow there will be more buffering, or sometimes the videos are not clear and they are not able to download. So all such issues, all such test cases are added under this type of category. So if YouTube videos do not load properly or if they do not play properly, Google may update this YouTube application to address all these playback issues. So next type is Google Assistant integration. So Google, what type of test cases Google will add under this kind of category is that it will add test cases which will verify that Google Assistant functions as expected on the device, including the voice commands and the smart home integration. So voice command is very very important. Whatever we talk, Google should be able to reciprocate it and convert it accordingly. So if Google Assistant doesn't respond to voice commands, or it has trouble controlling the smart devices, Google may update the Google Assistant app or the Play Services framework. These were the different examples which illustrates the importance of GTS is in ensuring that Google services and apps work seamlessly on Android devices. We saw different categories, right? So we saw Maps, we saw YouTube, we saw Google Voice Search, Google Search, cloud services, Drive synchronizations, all these kinds we saw. When issues are identified during GTS testing, Google and the relevant app development teams collaborate to fix these bugs and release updates to enhance the compatibility and performance of these services. So that was a small example or small video I wanted to show y'all to get an idea about how the GTS test categories were there, how what are the different test cases these might include. I hope it was clear, and in my next session we'll see what are the different VTS test categories. Until then, everyone, stay tuned. Take care. Bye.